Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to make guides in SketchUp and how to get used to them. You can make guides in case you want to measure something or you want to place something in reference to those guides. To make guides you can use tape measure tool from this get started toolbar. From the large tool set you have this construction toolbar and there you have tape measure tool. So let's begin. Let me first draw a rectangle here by the rectangle tool, and I'm going to offset this by 0.25 meters, and I'm going to raise this part by push tool by 3 meters. Now what I want to do, I want to create some guides so I can set or rather make a window around this portion. So if I just click on the tape tool, what I can do is I can make guides parallel to these edges that I have in this form. So if I just click on this edge, here I see this is the guide that I can raise up to any length as I want, and here you see the length. Let's say I want this to be like 0.75 meters from that edge, and from the left edge I want like 1 meter. So I can also do one more thing. I can just click anywhere on this side. I can type the length later on like this. Now this guide is actually 1 meter apart from this edge. Now let's make two more guides. Let's say I want to create another guide 1.25 meters apart from the other one, and from here I want 1 meters. Now what I've done is I'm with these 4 guides that kind of create this rectangular portion right here, and I can just go into the rectangle tool and make a rectangle out here, and if I just push it in, I got this opening where I can set my window. So what guides are, they are actually the references to whatever the objects we want. Like if I just create a rectangle here, and I can actually move this rectangle to reference to these guides. You can always delete or erase these guidelines by selecting them and pushing the delete key from keyboard, or you can just erase them from the eraser tool. Or what you can do is you can always go into the edit tab and hit on delete guides. That will delete every guide that you have in the model. One thing you notice when you go into the tape tool, this actually shows this plus sign at the bottom. What this means is whenever I click an edge, it always makes these guides. If I hit the control key, now this plus sign is off. It means it will not create that guide, rather it will only give us the length. One more thing, that all those guides that you make by this tape tool are always parallel to the edge you click on, or rather you select. So in order to make guides at some angle from the edge, you can go into the protector tool that is right here, or you can just go into tools and click on protector tool. This looks more like a rotate tool in SketchUp, but when you click on an edge, it asks you for a reference point. If I just take this edge as a reference point, and now I can actually create a guide at an angle from that edge. I can type in the angle. If I type 45, now this guide makes at the angle 45 from that reference edge that I took.